guys, welcome back to our me and his YouTube channel. Today he can tell you what we're doing.
So today, since we couldn't do it last time, I'm going to be cutting wood on the jigsaw. So yeah, let's go do it. Oh, my safety glasses.
Okay, we got to be really loud or else they can't hear us.
The jigsaw's loud. Don't worry about that, Indy.
Yeah, maybe turn your sound down a bit. Because the jigsaw will be probably louder than your volume.
On.
Alrighty.
Alright, earmuffs.
Now let's get it. Alright, Loz has got his earmuffs on right now. I'm going to sit on my back.
So, jigsaw's already plugged in.
Wait, let me just get the perfect angle.
Now,
A minute.
I need to pop the jigsaw on
Loz,
the line that I
Loz,
made.
I'm
'cause I
not
need
even
to cut.
filming you.
What?
Okay, go.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Okay,
Pretty
guys.
good cut.
I'm gonna go smell it because it probably smells gorgeous.
Yeah. So, that's me cutting some wood.
Oh, it's so hot and it smells so good.
Yeah, it is hot because that's called friction. Timber's a bit wet, but it's a pretty good cut. It is struggling because the blade's a bit, yeah. So, yeah, that's all we got for today.
Wait. So, stay tuned. But this afternoon, I'm going to do part 2 of my yoga thing because yeah, I'm not finished. So stay tuned for that if you want to see part 2 of that. Now I'm gonna go check out how many views that has got already. Anyway, anything else you want to say, Loz?
No, and we're going to keep on building this, and
What are you
Yeah.
building?
I'm building a little piece. Well, I need to custom make some wood because I tied a bunch of knots this morning and I want to staple them on.
Oh yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna do, guys, so I'm gonna do my weirdest face ever. I don't know why, but I just want to show you my weirdest face ever. Okay. Oh yeah, that looks pretty weird.
So I'm
Sorry.
just bashing some nails in now, guys.
Sure, yeah. Oh. See.
Now, it's connected pretty well, so we'll flip it over. Okay, now we'll, sorry guys, put it again. Alright, yep, you can stop the video now.